Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Ned from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're doing a teardown of the Disney Junior unit. This thing definitely has some issues. The microphone's not working. I can't get it to steadily play. But it's really cool. For a low price, you can get the LED display and play some fun stuff. And it's supposed to make some noise. This one isn't. Got it secondhand. Really great price. Let's do a teardown on it. First off, I want to see what is in the microphone. Maybe to see why it is not working. Oh, wow. That is super simple. Look at all the flux we got left on the switch unit. And here we can see it's a nice big microphone. That's a nice big microphone. Looks like it should still work. All we got is the two cables. I don't know why this thing isn't working right now. Maybe it's disconnected over here or something. So let's take a look in here. Alright, get all those heretic screws out, and we'll take a look at what we got on the inside and how good it is. A blue board. That's interesting. I haven't seen one of those in a while. We can take a look at the microphone. Man, those two super small wires. I almost wonder if this is what broke them, just being screwed in somewhere on the inside. Maybe they got broken during manufacturing. Maybe it was a little bit of rubbing that cracked them down. Okay, next step. I want to get on here. I want to see the other side. Oh, that's interesting, the volume control. Okay, all right. This looks a little bit cheap. I hope they got some terminations going on there. Well, that's a nope. They do not terminate. The speaker does not terminate. One thing I generally like to do is see if the speaker will terminate and not just get soldered right in, because usually that's a sign of how good things are made. But then again, of course, one thing that Disney is going for is they want it to be affordable and working well, and not just well made. Working. I think there's a difference between working well and being cheaply or being properly made. Like back in the day, you'd be able to get units that would have the whole schematics written on the inside. Everything would be terminated, and then if you needed to repair it, you could probably do it on your own. I'm not seeing a whole lot going on here. I'm not even seeing a chip. Unless the main chip is under there. Yeah, so usually these things just pop right off. There it is. That's where the chip's going to be. The main chip, the main CPU, the memory, or the brain of all of this is going to be right in there. Some interesting buttons. Some big buttons that finish off into little ones. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty neat. Really basic. Exactly what I was thinking. Kind of cheaply made, but it works. What can I say? And that's what Disney's going for. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Ned from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like the stuff. Always appreciate it. And as always, folks, take care of each other.